If you want to go ahead and create out a highlight video, you can go around and click on the plus button right here. Then what you can do is you can go around onto highlight video right here, just like this, and then simply go ahead and search for different people. Let's say, for example, I'm just going to go around and search for different people right here. So let's say I'm just going to add this person right here and preview this out. And then it says not enough photos, so let's just go ahead and add in sunset photo right here, just like this. And then let me just go ahead and preview this out right here. And now what happens is that it'll take that particular photo right here, and there is a highlight right there. So you can also go ahead add in more photos and videos right here. So let's just go ahead and add in this, or maybe I'm just going to go for sceneries right here, just like this right here, and this one maybe, and then this one, and I'm going to press done. And once you do that, you can see that you can choose the length as well, just like this, of the photos right here. And as I were to go into the beginning and press the play button, this is how you can actually go ahead and choose the music. So you can also choose for no music or theme music right here, and choose the different type of music that you want. So I just chose that right here, and just like that, you can go ahead and press the play button. And that is what you have. You can go for Spring Day, or you can go for Happy Tears, and that is what you have. So you can choose from different theme music, as you can see right here. You can also go ahead and then change it to portrait or landscape as you like as well, and save it out, as you can see right here, so that you can actually export it out as a video. So you can see that the highlight video is being ready, and in a while it will be processed, and then you'll be able to share it and download it and just keep it as you need. And that is how you can simply create out a highlight video inside of Google Photos. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.